Yo, what's going on? Uh, this is a little different than I usually do. Normally, y'all know me for trading futures, trading forex, crypto, airdrop, stuff like that. But today, I'm gonna actually be talking about stocks. So I actually got into stocks before I got into everything else. I got into stocks before forex, before futures, before crypto. Stocks was the first thing that I started off on, and that's how I made my first little money on my financial journey. So these are the top six stocks or indexes that I think that y'all should be investing in. As usual, take my advice with a grain of salt. I think that's the saying. Take my advice with just take my advice, but do your own research, right? I'm not like the best trader of all time. I'm not the best looking at stocks dude of all time, but these are just like the things I think that will go up in the future and that I've already made money off of. So first up, we have the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. Uh, I actually got this ETF when it first came out. I'm looking at my phone. I got it at I think I got it at like well, I forgot, but it's gone down. So I got it like literally. Damn, actually no, I lost a little bit of money on this, $53. But uh, I got it like not a month ago, but I probably got it around this time when it was starting to go up. So I've only lost a little bit of money about this, but I do think with Bitcoin, as you can see, I'll go to CoinGecko real quick. With Bitcoin at 84,000, it's gonna go up a lot. So while you're making money through crypto, you can also make money using these ETFs. I have a few shares of this. I think it's gonna go up a lot once Bitcoin goes up. This is probably the only thing that I lost money on. I can't lie. SMCI. Uh, Let me go to the chart. So SMCI, I got. I'm looking at my phone again. Give me a second. So I got this at around $37. So yeah, summary. I'm trying to look at the chart. Yeah. So maybe like not 5 days. Maybe like here. I got not no. Like somewhere around here, I got it right. And the reason that I got it is, as you can see, this shows on Robinhood during quarter four, a majority of hedge funds were buying this, and insiders were also buying SMCI. And if you go to the holders, not options, if you go to so these are things I look at. I just look at who's holding and news about it, and you see SMCI did beat the what's it called? It was like SMCI fraud, right? So they faced allegations of fraud and misconduct, and but with the SEC investigation, they found that there was no fraud. So that boosted the stock a lot. And if you go to the holders, you can see Vanguard holds 10%, BlackRock holds 7%, Morgan Stanley holds some. And if you go to mutual fund holders, you can see Vanguard is holding a lot. The S&P is holding a lot. Fidelity is holding some. Vanguard again. So a lot of insiders and a lot of big funds think that this stock is gonna go up, and that's mainly the reason why. I think I'll probably get out of the stock at about like $55, maybe $60, something like that. But if you look at the statistics, you can see its market cap is 25 billion. So it's up since the end of quarter four, but it's down since around the beginning of 2024. So that means that there's still it's a retrace. It's still gonna go up. I'm not gonna sell it once it gets to 59. I'll sell it a little below that just to make my money, but I'm buying the dip, and I think a lot of y'all should be buying the dip. Next one, CVS. So CVS, I got it. This was one of the ones I saw very very early. I got in at 45 $45. It's at 65 right now. I'm holding it to like 70 or 75, but I probably got in about a month ago, or not even a month ago. Let's look at the six. Yeah, somewhere. See, I bought the dip around like the end of quarter four, and as you can see, it's played out pretty well. And for CVS, a lot of hedge funds were buying this throughout the entire quarter. Quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. But quarter four, there was a big like. I wish I could show y'all this, but I can't, because then y'all would see how much money I have on it. But I'm looking at my phone. Quarter four, there was around like hedge funds bought about 37 million of shares, while in quarter three it was about like 15 million. So you can see it's a big uprise of big funds buying it. And towards December, insiders were buying about 200K worth, compared to like October and November it was like 20K. So insiders are buying it, hedge funds are buying it. If we look at the holders, you could see Vanguard again 9%, BlackRock 8%. Vanguard is holding some here. Dodge and Cox is holding some. Washington Mutual Insiders Fund. S&P is holding some. Fidelity. Vanguard again. So a lot of insiders are buying it. I bought the dip, and it's worked out well for me. On top of that, with all the new healthcare stuff coming in, RFK, even though he's cracking down on medicine, I still do think that CVS will still hold worth in the medicine world. Next one, Cisco. Cisco is one of the ones that I just got into, and I actually have lost a little bit of money about. I got it at 62. It's at 60 right now. But I do think that Cisco is going to go up. I probably got it about, yeah, I bought it up here. It's down over the last month. But I do think that there's room for it to grow. Analysts, there's 50% of analysts saying buy. Hedge funds, they're buying it Q4. While insiders aren't buying it, this is one of those short-term stocks that I'll probably ride to about $70. I have a lot of shares in it, so I'll make my money, I'll get out. I don't think that this is a long-term stock, but I do think that this stock will provide you with a little bit of money if you put a good amount of money in. Again, Vanguard holds some, BlackRock holds some, Charles Schwab owns some, Morgan Stanley, mutual funds, Vanguard holds a lot. I mean, Vanguard holds everything, but this is just like, proof that a lot of big companies are holding this. Another thing is I'm not really like into stocks anymore. I sold a lot of my stocks. I bought a lot of crypto recently, but I do think that these are the stocks that I'm riding out just to make a little extra money on the side while crypto's down and while I'm trading. This is just, I'm not really into stocks. If you're really into stocks, you can only really be into like, you have to be like fully into it. I'm not that into it, but I do think that this is a way to make extra money on the side for all you Forex traders, futures traders. This is something that you should probably get into. Next one, Walmart. I probably lost money, a little bit of money because I just got it. But I got in at about, I got in at 104, so I'm down $20 on it. But I do think Walmart, everybody goes to Walmart. It's the grocery store. It's the place. But I could see 90.5% of analysts are saying to buy it right now. It's a dip. Hedge funds are buying it Q4. Insiders are actually selling it as of February 2025. But I do think that there still is room to grow. This is one of those long-term stocks. But you could see over here they're clashing with over like tariffs. So all of this is like tariffs, Trump tariffs. But recently Trump has come out and said that he's going to make the economy boom again. And the way that I look at stocks, I look at people saying, I don't try to, analyze it using indicators and stuff. I look at people's words. Trump, his word matters. The Walmart CEO, his word matters. NASDAQ, their words matter. So, that's how I'm feeling. As you can see, holders, we have Vanguard holding some, BlackRock holding some. Again, Vanguard holds some, Fidelity owns some. But these numbers, this is a little riskier than Cisco, CVS, all these. But I do think that there is a place to go for Walmart. If you don't think so, then you don't think so. That's just me personally. Like I said, take my words with a grain of salt. But yeah. So the S&P, this is something that I really think that y'all should invest in. It's down 7% over a month. It's only up 0.23% over a 6-month period. And it's down for the year. So, as you can see, over the 5-year mark, the S&P is up 108%. There's room to grow. I do think stocks are going to go up still. So look at this. This week in Trumponomics, thumbs up. Oh, thumbs down all around. Shoosh. But I saw a tweet where Trump said that he's going to fix the economy. and I'm pretty sure he said it in one of his speeches. So I do think that it'll still go up. I don't know if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments, but I do think the S&P. I've seen a lot of people around me investing in it too. I do think that this has room to grow. It'll probably go to like 6,500 over the next year. I think actually nah, that's a reach, but 6,000 definitely. A little way to make a little $500 if you buy more shares. It is what it is. But you can also get into Nasdaq, but there's the top 100. But I don't know. I feel like the Nasdaq, the top 100 is made up of all like tech stocks mainly. So if the tech sector goes down, it's down. But the S&P is a more collected amount of stocks. There's 500 stocks that's from different sectors. So even if one sector's down, the other sector's gonna balance it out, things like that. But to each their own personal preference. Let me know if there's any stocks that I missed that y'all are investing in. Appreciate y'all. I'll probably see y'all Monday when I trade again. But that's it. Appreciate y'all. Have a good weekend.